Hello, so this is also a walkthrough on how debugging works in C++. So first of all, I already have my code that was provided by the class, and I am going to show how I can debug and also how to play with certain functionalities in C++ in Xcode, right? So this is currently Xcode, and going down according to the instructions, I'm just going to go ahead and then um, try to get a breakpoint, right? So let's say 37 is going to be my breakpoint. That means that the code is going to run until it gets to that point and then it stop. Then I can go ahead and then maybe debug an issue that is going on with it or something else. So I have started running my code and it's going to stop right at this side, right? So at um, 37 is stopped, but 37 there is no code over here, so it's just going to go ahead and then move to the next line that is stopped. And over here you can see that we have two buttons over here that we are going to make very good use of. The first one is the step over and then the step into. First of all, we are going to play with the step over. That is going to skip one code to the other, like move from this side to the next one, and then we are going to see that the variables over here are going to change, the numbers are also going to change as well. So let's say the next one, I move to the next one and you could see that things were changing over here, right? So if you keep on checking the variables, you will see that when you step into it or you step over something else, the codes are going to change and the variable names are also going to move based on the code that is moving on to. So that is what is happening over here. You can see that now we have the time over here and it's going to run exactly what it says on that line, right? And now let's move on to the step into. If I click on this step into, it's going to step into a code and then it's moved back to code 24, which will definitely do the same thing. It just dive into the code and then let you know what is going on in there, so I can keep on stepping into it, and then that it's how it works. So right now you can see that as we did a step into and then moved out of it, now everything has totalized to 55, and that is exactly what we are wanting to see, right? So definitely, and basically that is how everything works when it comes to debugging. You have to get a breakpoint and you can make good use of the step over and the step into to move around this one to debug any issue you have or to move along to find a solution that you want.